We are United Water Restoration Group. So what is the IICRC and why does it matter? So behind me you'll see a lot of certificates from our technicians, our project managers, our administrators, and everybody in between, because education is the foundation of knowledge. The IICRC is the international accredited body of learning and best practices in our industry of restoration that govern how a structure should be properly restored and cleaning process should be done. So we take a lot of pride in making sure that we know what the book says, and we have been in these situations before. We learn from these experiences, and we serve as a guide, a counsel to you in terms of what can and should be done in the best scenario for your property damage. We are well versed in the insurance claim process. While we are not adjusters, insurance adjusters, public adjusters, we don't represent ourselves as such. Our level of knowledge and insight and experience puts us in a position where, as your contractors, when fully engaged to help you navigate the claims process on your own, we are extremely familiar with what is and is not covered on standard losses. We get into a gray area, we hit the stop sign, we go through a diligence process. That's what we will do. So when it comes to having the right contractor in your property to help you mitigate against damage, that's where a company who does it all day, every day makes a world of sense. The IICRC has bestowed us with the honor of being a certified firm, which means that our entire organization is recognized for the highest standard of business practices and ways that we operate. And it begins with, you start to mitigate on your own. You got the towels, you got the rags, we're on our knees. Okay, but now what? If it's not small, it's not contained, it's more than you can handle, you don't know what the secondary damages are, you should probably call an IICRC certified professional to come help you walk through. We do this no charge. This is a courtesy. When it comes to restoration, when it comes to insurance claims, when it comes to the mitigation and remediation process, dealing with all the hazards that are associated with tearing out building materials that have been affected by some water source or fire source or mold source, that's where a company like ours comes in. So when you think of dirty, disgusting, or dangerous, United, 24/7.